Well, I'm walking because, so I think I know what the problem is with my Mustang now, because it's been having some troubles lately of just starting, and which is unusual. It usually doesn't give me any problems. But, so, I thought maybe the ground was bad, and to be honest, the ground was kind of bad, but I still have electricity inside the car. So it's like, okay, so it's not the ground anymore, even though I did fix the ground to be a little better. And I think the starter wire is potentially bad. So instead of, with the nice weather that we're getting tomorrow, of working on the Capri, I'm going to be working on Stitch instead and hopefully getting that starter wire fixed. Just really annoying, so yippee!